Hello guys, today I will teach you how to use Inverter PC software. And our Inverter PC software is freedom installation, so just decompress it and it can be used. However, there are a few important points to pay attention. The first time you use it, you need to register as an administrator. Okay? Administrator. This step is very important. Otherwise, an errors will appear when you open the software. Okay, after open the software, you can see there are total six of interface, and currently only 5 interfaces can be used. This function is still developing, so we can use it. And then I will teach you how to connect PC and the inverter. You need to prepare RS-485 to USB converter. Then connect to the inverter terminal, and then enter the inverter manager. You can see now you can see the port number on the computer. You can see the port number on the computer is COM5. So we choose COM5 here, and the other parameter are consistent with the FC group in the inverter. Now we can read the date of the inverter. And the second interface is model selection. The selection can choose the different models. Now we only suppose VB and 8000B. We don't need to choose it. We can choose the model automatically. Okay. And the third screen is the functions we use the most. We can read and write parameter. We can read the functions of the single group, or directly read all the parameter. Okay. We can directly export the read parameter so that we can quickly set out a multiple inverter. Okay, we stop here, and we can also directly restore factory value from here. And one more thing I have to tell you: if you have a problem with the inverter error report and need to ask us, I hope you can give us the information of the group E. The group E is the error report parameters, which is very important for us to solve the problem. This group is the sense of this interface. From here, you also can see the error report. You can see our report, name date, content. You can see it from here. And this interface is the same as the keyboard of the inverter. You can monitor all the parameters in this interface. You can also control the forward, reverse, and stop mode of the motor. The RUNS interface is mainly used for monitoring and testing. You can, if you have this software, you can test it by yourself. Okay, this is all the function of the Inverter PC software. Thank you for watching.